Hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing a video basically showing you how you can make a shake effect in Keynote, Apple Keynote, on the iPad, iPhone, or even Mac. Mac just has a slightly different GUI, but that's okay. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is create a presentation, choose a theme, black I'd go with. Then you just want to delete these because you're not going to be using these unless you want to. Now, what you want to do is press the plus, and then photo and video. And then all you have to do is select the clip you want. In my case, it's the stop motion I made. And so you can preview it regularly. And for the most part, it makes no noise. And actually, you have to fully preview it to make it make noise. So just look at that for a second. So anyways, now what we want to do is click on 3 dots, click on animate, add transition, and then automatic. Oh, oops. So start movie, build in, and then you want to start movie after transition. And then you're going to add an action. In this case, to do a shaking effect, you want to add jiggle. And then you go on here, and if you want to after build 1, and then delay it for how long you need to. And so we'll play around with this until we get the shake exactly where we need it. So we'll look at that. And then we want to add a build out, which is just going to be a crumble. And then that will not be on tap. It'll be after build 2. And now we can press done and preview it and see where the shake happens. So as you can see, that actually doesn't look bad, but the shake duration's a bit too long. So if you go to animate again, we can change that. You can go to duration and let's say 0.40 seconds. So now when we preview it, it should actually look bad. Last time it didn't. But the shake was a bit before, so it's fine. And again, you can keep tuning this. It's fine. You can take your time. And I'm just going to make the delay. I'm going to make the delay slightly less so that it starts. Well, no, I want to make it slightly more so that it starts a bit later. So we'll do 5.75. And again, you can just play around with this. And actually, that's not bad, specifically because that's when he flies. So yeah, guys, that's a tutorial on how to do the shake effect. I recommend the black theme, though, because if you have the white one, you'll see the white in the background, and I think it just looks better to see black in the background when it's shaking. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Without further ado, let's end the video here.